from Tallahassee, Parkland survivor David Hogg, who has become one of the high school's most outspoken voices on the need for stricter gun laws. David, thanks for joining us. That was very impactful. First the rally and then the news conference. What is the message that you and your classmates want to get out?
I want to make something clear here. I don't want to infringe upon people's Second Amendment rights in the same way that I don't want people to infringe upon my First Amendment rights to freedom of speech. This is a student-led grassroots movement, and this is not a debate, this is a discussion between Americans, because we've had too many debates before, and we've gotten nowhere.
This is a case of simple, please stop. Please stop allowing us to be gunned down in our hallways. People are telling us that we should run for president. We want an education.